Hi, my name is Annika Bansal. Welcome to my life page, and today we'll be talking about modeling. First, I'm just going to start off talking about myself a little bit. I'm 20 years old. I started modeling when I lived in Sweden 3 years ago, and I'm doing it in Spain, where I live currently. So I've been modeling for 3 years in total, and I've worked with small freelance photographers as well as small boutiques and bigger companies to advertise products or to create with creative ideas. And modeling is working for brands or for individuals to either advertise products or to come up with creative content for photographers, for magazines. You can do runway shows, you can do magazine looks, etc. To know about fashion and fashion trends. This is very easy to know. You can watch a lot of YouTube videos, perhaps of your favorite models or your favorite fashion brands, and learn about what are the trends today and what different options you have in terms of fashion. There's editorial fashion and then there's more casual fashion. Apart from YouTube videos, you can look at magazines. You can look at runway shows that are made for a certain brand. Just to get an idea about how the models look, as well as what type of clothing or accessories is in trend. To be an extrovert. This means just to be a people's person. You need to know how to go into the industry and you need to become friends with the people you'll work with. For example, the photographer, the designer, the people who work around for the lighting systems. This will help you just gain more contacts, which will help you gain more exposure. If you're the shy one, no one's going to be able to talk to you and you won't get more opportunities. If you become friends with people in the industry, they'll help you get more opportunities with new projects and open up your doors into more things. Career opportunities. This basically means that you have a lot of career opportunities once you get into modeling. There are several types of modeling that you can do. You can be a commercial model, you can be an editorial model, you can do runway walks, you can work with several different things, and you can grow from there. From that, you can become an actress. You can also go behind the camera, become a photographer, because once you're in this industry, you can do several things. If you enjoy singing or dancing, you can do several projects that relate to that, whether it's in music videos or in performances that are live. So the career opportunities are very big. You can work with several companies, several individuals, which will slowly grow. That you have to keep a strict routine. This can be something as small as keeping your diet in place, but it also means knowing how to take care of your time and to be time efficient. Modeling could take a lot of time, as you might need to travel to different locations. You might need to do certain things in order for a certain project. For example, change your hair, change the way you look or something in order for that certain project. So because of this, you need to be quite strict with your routine. You need to know how to get things done before shoots and after shoots, as well as keep an eye on your diet, not to lose weight, but just to maintain your health, as well as to be taking care of your hair every day, to be taking care of your skin every day, and etc. So the day where I have shoots, they're usually quite in the morning. This is because the weather during the day can get quite hot depending on where you live, and so shoots are usually always in the morning. This means that you have to wake up early, have your breakfast quite early so you don't get bloated during the shoot. You need to take care of your routine, do that routine rigorously, as well as once you reach the shoot, you should have a bag full of things that you might need. For example, your makeup bag, a change of clothes that they might ask you to bring if they are not providing you with the clothes. You need to keep drinking water on the day of a shoot, and you need to keep eating. The second you don't eat, your energy will drop during a shoot and you won't be able to perform as good as you can. After the shoot, it's quite important to undo your routine, take off your makeup. If they've done stuff with your hair, it's very important to let that go, and it's quite important to follow up with the shoot. For example, send them an email thanking them and be sure to get the pictures. So you have to follow up on that. Post it on your social media. This will help you gain opportunities. Yeah, just eat, drink water, and stay healthy. Hope I've given you a balanced view about modeling. Just to conclude, I think modeling is a very good career option. You can get this started when you're still studying in school or in university to do as a side thing. and hopefully it will grow enough for you to do it full time. However, you can always start off modeling no matter where you are, no matter how old you are. So I think it's a very good opportunity. There are many different types of modeling that you can do. So the best thing is to just jump right into it.